Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your device is already signed into the exact Apple ID you want to use. This is crucial because linking is automatic through iCloud. Once that's confirmed, put the AirPods in their case, open the lid, and hold it next to your unlocked iPhone. Follow the pairing animation and tap Connect. After pairing, keep the case open for a moment so the device can finish syncing settings to iCloud before you move on. Once paired, you need to confirm iCloud actually registered the AirPods. Go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, and verify the AirPods show as connected and display the correct name. Then, go to your Apple ID settings, open iCloud, and make sure Find My is turned on. This is how Apple delivers universal device association. You should also set the AirPods name and enable automatic device switching. If you want. Finally, verify that linking completed by opening the Find My app or signing into iCloud. Calm and checking devices. Your AirPods should appear with location and status. Test playback from another device signed into the same Apple ID to confirm they appear for pairing automatically. If they don't show up, reset the AirPods by holding the Setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, then repair to your iPhone. Make sure you're signed into iCloud and Find My is enabled before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.